guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a detailed comparison between Google Finance website and MSN Money website, my friends. So the first point is that the Google Finance website, if you go over there, okay fine, it's in beta stage or something. They have a classic stage as well. We go to the classic stage, and my friends, it has a minimalistic design. Okay, it is simple to understand and not much cluttered with information, my friends. It uses and relies on bullet form information, my friends. Look at this. For a newbie user like me, a casual user like me, this gives me the information about the market trends and the stock portfolios in a simplified manner, my friends. That's it. That's what its purpose is, my friends. Okay, so when we look at the MSN Money website, I'll pause the ads, my friends, via my ad blocker, and I'll refresh this website, my friends. And as you can see, there are a lot of ads. You will see some ads over here. Plus, it is cluttered with information, my friends, specifically long form articles, reading, lots of reading. You have to do lots and lots of reading. And one more thing, my friends, there are a lot of these thumbnails all over the website, my friends, of articles, huge articles, long form articles. So if you are interested in that, you can read all of these articles and give yourself an understanding, my friends. Now you see these ads, my friends, and this UI design of the MSN Money website, my friends. Let's go to point number 2, my friends. Why not? Point number 2 is the portfolio setup, my friends. On Google Finance, you can just upload a PDF screenshot or CSV files inside Google Finance website to get more information about certain things. And this can happen, I think, in the beta version. Look, this plus button, you just add these files and they'll help simplify the experience for you for the information that you are looking for. Specifically, Google Finance website is relying on their AI built-in tool that gives you an analysis of the stock market research that you want to do, my friends, or analyze, my friends. While on MSN Money, my friends, you have to do manual search for stocks one by one. You see there is a search box. You have to search for everything. So let's do it in front of you. Let me do it in front of you guys, my friends. Let me do it in front of you. I'll go and search for Valve. Wait, NVIDIA Corporation, and you did a manual search and you got all the information, my friends, about this. 1 day before, 5 days before, all the data, the summaries, the financial analysis, earnings, investors, everything, my friends, all the information. But you have to manually do it, my friends, manually type this information out. So this is one of the biggest differences, my friends, and we already talked about it, but I'm going to say it again, that in order to explain the financial market, Google Finance has built-in AI tool which gives you smart summaries of any market, my friends. So let's take the same example, my friends, and this time we will focus on Amazon. Give me stock market portfolio information about Amazon. and we'll ask this simple question from them, my friends, and they will give me a report on this. See, they will give me a report, all the report that I am looking for, the financial data and everything. While on MSN Money, my friends, this smart summary was given to me by AI, is about traditional reading the traditional articles, my friends, like we initially discussed, my friends. These articles are long form content, and I have been in certain blogs websites, my friends, professional blog websites that pay money, and they were always talking about having 6-minute reads, 7 minutes reads. So these are long form content. Don't expect a short form content in these blog posts, my friends. This is point number 3, my friends. And the fourth but not the least, my friends, is the extra tools, my friends. There are no extra tools inside Google Finance website, my friends. It has a minimalistic design, like I've been saying over and over again, a minimalistic design, my friends. We go to the classic one and we'll show you, my friends, a minimalistic design, my friends. While on the other hand, MSN Money has built-in calculators for mortgages, travel currency and restaurant tips as well. They have some special tools like these, my friends. Right now I don't have access to these because I think I'm not signed in, my friends, but they are there, my friends. These calculators makes them giving them a unique feature. They have this unique features, my friends, and that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching. I'll simplify this experience for you for understanding these concepts, my friends, by adding timestamps to this video so you don't get confused, my friends, and understand this completely, my friends. Take care. I'll be signing off.